welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I should do a get ready with me type situation video. A get ready with me chit chat situation, and yeah, and this is the look that I came up with and I love it. I love it. I know I've been MIA. Let me explain. I'm just playing around with backgrounds because what I want to happen, it's not happening in a pace where I want it to. Like, I'll explain everything later, but yeah, there's a reason, like one of the reasons why I've been gone for so long. I know I said I'll post once a week, once a month, and that is the most trashiest excuse because I was like, got 9 to 5, blah, blah, blah. But people are out here having a 9 to 5, being single moms, being influencers, and what's my excuse? Being a 9 to 5, really. So I had to just be like, oh, let me push. So I came up, I wanted to, like, my channel, I wanted to be based on hair, but like I've got situations where I happen to just go out and do my hair because I have to be somewhere the following day, so I won't be able to record or do my hair do my hair. So I'm just like, okay, when I'm gonna be able to do my hair and be in front of the camera and show what I'm doing. So I was just like, okay, let me just do some beauty content for now. Then just be chilling and be in a situation where like, okay, my hair's done, what I'm gonna show them. So let me just do my face. I am, just disclaimer, I am a makeup lover. I'm not a makeup artist. I love makeup, so this I'm just like, let's play with makeup. If you see that I'm doing something wrong, just correct me politely. Don't be like, oh, what do you think was gonna happen when you do that? Why do you think it's gonna happen when you do that? You know what I mean? Because you're gonna get blocked. No negative energy on my channel, please. No negative energy. We have so much to be dealing with, to have like comments that will just mess up your day. So negative comments, guys, I'm just gonna block. I can't have that type of energy around here. This will be, I open this, as I was saying, I opened this channel for it to be just my happy place, for it to distract me on everything that's happening around. So I hope you enjoy the contents that I'll be bringing to you, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and share this video if you like it. And yeah, I'll see you on my next one.
namasavana awufomu umuntu awaminye fast wang kuze kwenzekelene ngoba yenzeka umuntu mess up.
So guys, after recording this video, it was way too long. It was an hour and some good minutes, and I was like, I don't want to delete it because obviously I couldn't edit it properly, put it into other apps. Like I was really struggling, because also another thing is I'm using my phone to record this video, and I actually nearly deleted it. So I'm like, let me just screen record it and then I'll fast forward it, and this is what came out of it. This was a in detail tutorial. That's why you see me talking the entire time. I was talking the entire time. So I'm like, rather than deleting it and recording another one, let me just do this thing that I did, which is screen record it and then like speed through while I'm screen recording it. I think that was based on me just deleting and pretending like this never happened. Anyway, as I said before, I am a makeup lover, not a makeup artist, so I just paint my face every now and again. I'm not really good at it, but I love how everything comes together. It's like therapeutic to me in a way. I just love everything. Beauty is just that I'm learning every day, and yeah, that's all I think I have to say. What else? Oh my god, can we address the issue of the first video that I did? Guys, that first video, right, I hated the background so bad. It was just that black couch that I had, and it was dark, the lighting was bad, so that's why I went in my kitchen this time. Like, let me just try my kitchen, there's better lighting there. And yeah, and the entire video was for fashion world, and I can't even say the ShopRite. Like, I couldn't even say the name of the ShopRite. So yeah, that video was embarrassing. I'm like, I'm learning, but that was just ridiculous. Like, that was just ridiculous. So I'm going to be recording more. I'm not gonna sit because honestly, this video, after I recorded it, just discouraged me. I'm like, oh my gosh. So this is what people say. I'm like, this is the third time I've recorded this video. I'm like, really, the third time? I get it. Oh my gosh, I get it so much. So yeah, I'm like, YouTube is hard. YouTube is hard, you guys, but I'm learning each day. And yeah, just bear with me, guys. Bear with me. Bear with my crappy editing. Bear with my crappy lighting. Bear with my busy backgrounds. I'll work on it. I'll work on it. I promise you guys. But yeah, I hope you will join this family. They say after 3 videos, that's when they start to subscribe. Well, if they like your content. So I'm just putting out content for now. I'm not really worried about numbers or anything like that. I'm just enjoying the moment. I'm literally just enjoying the moment. So yeah, I hope you guys are doing good, and hopefully one day you'll join my family, and I'm just gonna do better. That's what I'm gonna say. So yeah, let's just enjoy this therapeutic video, although it's in fast forward mode, but yeah, let's just enjoy.
just threw on a blue blouse. Is it a baby blue blouse? Baby blue blouse. My god, I threw on a baby blue blouse. I hope you guys like this look and how it turned out. I really like how it turned out, honestly. Yeah, I hope I'll see you guys on my next one, and I promise it won't be so long for me to upload again. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll check you on my next one.